Let's look at this first trade right where this yellow arrow is. Right now you are seeing the open of the market within the first 30 seconds. Notice the delta. There is over 300 contracts that have come in between these two green bars. Those two green bars would be this and this on the price action. This is a 3-second chart. Notice this red bar on the delta here and this price action bar here. We had rising green volume on the delta, yet the market has slammed down lower. What this is telling me is there is spoofing going on in the market. The market is able to push down on virtually no volume compared to what it's going up on. The bottom of this yellow box is being breached where this arrow is. Then the top of the yellow box is being breached as well. Where these two large green delta bars are, which is this yellow box, it is being breached on both ends. This tells me that this environment could be incredibly choppy and sloppy. I actually call out this exact thing right in this part of my recording. Let's go forward in time. This is where we were originally looking. This will be 2 minutes in the future. Scrolling over to the right on the 3-second chart, notice there's a yellow box here. This will also be extremely high delta, which is right here in the green. And then we have another section of really high delta, which is this other yellow box. Typically, when these yellow boxes converge like this, I would want to use it as support and resistance. However, I know we could potentially go through this. Scrolling to the left, you can see I drew another yellow box. This is my 30-second time frame. This is a high amount of delta, over 1,000 on the green. 80 would act like support and resistance. As we go to the right, this right here is also resistance on a smaller time frame, which would be multiple factors of support. A little bit further in the future, we can see it's probing at it, but it's not ripping through. There's also a rising channel, which these can turn into stop runs. I end up hunting a short. I get in right here at 79.50. Scrolling over to the right, we can see the entry. Now I hold it for a scalp. Exiting at 76.50. Coming back over, you can see how the channel has broken. Each lower high is like a stop run, dominoing into each other. You can also see how the convergence box is failing, and we tested the higher end, probing with no further breakout, plus the sloppy chop that I explained at the beginning of this video. This entire trading session was narrated and recorded. If you're interested, join my coffee by scanning the QR code or going to coffee.com/fatcatsofwallstreet. I have 2 years of all my trading sessions recorded, as well as reviews, just like this short video on my trades. One of the best ways to learn how to trade is watching another trader do it live on the hard right edge.